Hi, this is Gilbert, and today I'm going to be talking about what to do with your old Squish Balls. All coated foam balls. By the way, here are some of the newer ones. The newer ones are nice and firm, nice, you can even bounce it. However, every ball eventually, through wear and tear, will develop some rips. It will become detached to the coating, and some with the cover even looks like this. What do you do with these? Do you throw them away? Do you not use them anymore? Today I'm going to show you there are many things you can still do with the old balls. All right, now the idea with the new ones is use them for whatever activity you want, but through wear and tear, when they become like that, then you can do the things I show you. You can do the things I'm going to show you with the new balls as well, but what that might do is it will shorten the life of the new ball. It does cause it to separate from inside. I will say this for the ADA Squish Balls, of all the different coated foam balls that I have worked with, this by far is the toughest, has the toughest skin, lasts the longest, and I'm talking about before it gets to this stage, you get about 2 to 3 years of good play on a daily basis practically using these balls. So this is a incredibly durable ball. So with that being said, I'm going to let now my colleague Greg demonstrate some of the activities.